First grade, I hope you are ready to do some drawing. So if you have colored construction paper, then that's awesome. The pieces don't need to be very big. They're just a couple inches long, not a big deal. If you have three little pieces that are all the same color, that's totally okay. Don't worry about it. And if you don't have colored construction paper, that's okay too. Just draw it on some white paper and we'll color and cut these guys out. No big deal. All right, so another thing to help you, on Google Classroom, I have this paper for you, and these are examples of Keith Haring style dancers that you can print this off, or you can look at them on the computer and you can use this to help you draw. So these are just some examples. You don't have to draw these, but if you're kind of stuck on what your dancer should look like, feel free to print this out and use it. All right, so our goal for this week is to make 3 drawings of dancers, and these are going to be in our artwork. This is the only step that we're taking on our project this week. So I am going to start with just one of my pieces of paper, and I'm going to draw one dancer. I think a really good one to start with is the dancer with his arms up over his head, because it's a nice, easy one to start with. Okay, so I have my first dancer right there. I'm going to go ahead and switch out for another piece of paper. I'm gonna go draw my other 2 dancers and then meet you guys back here in a second. Okay, so I have my 3 dancers drawn. Now, the next thing that I want to do is help them stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to take a Sharpie and I am going to go over all of my pencil lines. This will also make it easier to cut them out next week. You don't have to cut them out this week. I will be sure to explain the next step of our project in our next video lesson. So this week, just get your 3 dancers drawn with pencil. And again, that paper is on Google Classroom if you want some help drawing them, and then go ahead and go over all of your pencil lines with a Sharpie.